I hadn't planned on doing a long drawn out video on me doing my retie, but I wanted to do a little bit of footage, and as you can see, next week is Christmas. So I'm done with the back, and I'll insert some pictures. So I have a little bit of free time, so I wanted to come in very quickly. So I've pinned back the back section, and I'm just really finna work on this section right here. I figured I might as well. So I've kind of pinned off, and I'll do a little. So when I am doing my retie, I use the 4-point rotation. And with the 4-point rotation, I am going to go counterclockwise. So I'm going to go in at 9, then through 6, then through 3, then down through 12. When I'm working with this side of my head, this is going to be 12, 3, 6, now I got to think about it. This side I figured it was going to be harder. Yeah, 12, 3, 6, 9. I knew 9 was back, but I had to figure it out. So 12, 3, 6, 9. And I'm going to start in at 9. And like I said, I'm going to have to work this way because and I use my hand to kind of guide. Kind of guide where I'm going so that I won't get caught up in the lock beside it. And I've been getting about, it's been roughly 4 weeks since my last retie. So I've been getting about, I know a rotation and a half. I can't talk. This one I can actually do. Probably a full rotation, 2 full rotations. I'm gonna stop at 12. So there's this first lock. Hopefully I'm in the camera. So then I'm gonna go to the next lock. Honestly, I like these clips a little better, and all I have to do is just, this particular clip snags on my hair. One thing I've learned is when you're doing your retie, number 1, take your time. And one of the reasons why I didn't really want to do a video was because I was losing my focus when I was doing other stuff the past 2 days, like talking on the phone. Didn't work for the kid. I need my total attention to what I'm doing. So I'm going to just pin this lock that I just did back. Another thing that I've learned is stay focused, in addition to making sure you section off your locks in a square. So you want to put your clips in almost like a square fashion to section off that lock, and it's going to help you so you don't marry locks. And that one's okay. And I use my hand to guide where I'm going. I've already sprayed this with water. So, and I apologize if I can't get up super close. Feels weird working this way. This is more comfortable. So I'm going to go in at 9 through the back, pull it through, and remember to push up. So as I put it in, push up this way. So that's 6, 3, and I gotta. And don't make them super tight. Like once I do a full rotation, I kind of check it to see if I have enough room to do another rotation. And in this case, I do. So I'm going in at 9, and watch yourself. So I'm putting my finger right here to catch so that I don't go into the lock right there. because this lock, I'm probably gonna only do a rotation and a half. So I went in at 9, I'm gonna come down at 12 and be done with this lock, because I don't want them super tight. I don't want my hair breaking because it is so tight. And then I just go to the next one. I have to say, once you get in a groove or rhythm, it flows. I think last night, this was my toughest side to do. This side, I went through in a breeze. And so that's what pushed me, because I gave myself I was giving myself 6 days or a week at the most to do a retie. But honestly, once I got started, it was like, girl, go on and finish. Some people may say, why not wait 5 to 6 weeks? And I could have, but honestly, I'm an educator. I did not want to spend my whole Christmas break retying here. So I'm gonna do it again. It's just not something I wanted to do. Going in at 9, I'm gonna do, let's try this again. Going in at 9, and then I'm gonna come down in 12 to do a half rotation. So I'm stopping at 12 because of the way I want my hair to lay. And again, I don't want to make them super tight. I probably could have did a full rotation on that, but it's okay. These are my edges, so sis want to protect those at all costs. Alright, so I'm going to finish retying. Just wanted to come in with a short video. I'll post pictures of day 1 and day 2, my progress, and I think I did a very short video clip. So see you soon. Bye.